So being a decentralized project, having that price point, I guess this kind of leads into one of my first questions is,
Yep.
who is their customer? Who's their ideal customer? Who is their current customer? And like, who would they be, going after, I guess, to sell this
It's
to?
a fair question, actually. Like that's a legitimate question. And I can speculate on who they're definitely going to go after. So it's going to be people that have, huge data sets that they need crunched. I'm working with them at the moment to try and model computational fluid dynamics. It's something that in my line of work, we work with quite a lot in the automotive industry, right, for our customers.
Yeah.
So if we can do computational fluid dynamics or CFD, then that would be amazing, because that would open up automotive straight away. It would, allow smaller, say, manufacturers of cars that maybe do like 20 cars a year to actually have access to that kind of technology. Usually it's only the big corporate companies like your Mercedes or your, your Teslas of the world who can actually afford CFD, in that quantity that they need, because it's usually very expensive.
Yeah. Yeah. It takes a lot of compute to render that.
And we were spitballing all sorts of ideas yesterday of who could actually utilize it. You've got medical professionals for, crunching through blood test data, for example. They could have it analyze all of that and give you out all the data with a rough idea whether or not they need you back in like quickly, or can they call you in a couple of weeks? Is it that bad, sort of thing? And they've Dynex even showed off something about breast screening quite recently, fun enough, about how their model can actually work all of those figures out, which is pretty cool.
Huh. Yeah, that's really impressive if that can be done, a lot quicker than, and a lot cheaper than, traditional methods.
Yeah.
It would benefit a whole lot of people.